Hey guys, today I'm drawing 3 character faces in Adobe Illustrator, but here's the twist. I'll be using a different tool for each one. We're going to test the pen tool, blob brush, and pencil tool, and I'll show you what they're like with both a mouse and a drawing tablet. If you're new to Illustrator or just trying to figure out which tool fits your style best, make sure to watch till the end. I'm starting with quick sketches of 3 different faces. Nothing fancy, just some simple doodles to keep things fun. First up is the pen tool, probably the most precise tool in Illustrator, but also the trickiest to learn. With the mouse, it's definitely doable because you're clicking point to point, but getting a smooth curves takes a little practice. With a drawing tablet, it honestly doesn't make a huge difference. It's still click-based, not pressure-based. Personally, the pen tool isn't my favorite, but it is super precise. If you're making something that needs really clean, sharp lines like logos or geometric shapes, the pen tool is definitely the way to go. On the flip side, it can be a bit tricky to master at first. It works best with a mouse since it's not pressure sensitive. So, if you're aiming for more natural, flowy drawings, the pen tool might not be the best fit. Next is the Blob Brush Tool, and this one feels way more like actual drawing than building shapes. With a tablet, it's amazing. Pressure sensitivity works and the lines feel supernatural. You can adjust the smoothness and the width depending on how much pressure you put on a drawing tablet. With a mouse, you lose the pressure sensitivity, but the smoothing still helps you get nice, clean lines. Blob Brush is one of my favorite tools when I want to draw in Illustrator. It feels like freehand drawing and creates filled shapes directly. On the downside, you lose pressure sensitivity if you're using a mouse, and it can get a little messy if you don't clean up as you go. Last up is the pencil tool, which is kind of like a more vector-friendly brush. With a drawing tablet, it's pretty smooth and lets you draw freely, but you still get editable paths. With a mouse, it's more responsive than the blob brush, but not as precise as the pen tool. I use the pencil tool all the time. It's perfect for loose, sketchy styles. Like the pen tool, the paths are editable, so you get a nice balance between freehand drawing and control. You can also adjust the smoothing to make your lines cleaner. The downside is it's less ideal if you need really sharp corners or precise geometric shapes. So here's my honest opinion. Pen tool is best for clean, sharp vector work. Blob brush is best with a drawing tablet, super fun for freehand drawing. And the pencil tool is a nice middle ground if you like freehand drawing but want editable paths. If you're using a mouse, I'd stick with the pen tool or pencil tool. If you have a drawing tablet, definitely try the blob brush. It's so much fun for drawing characters like these. Let me know which tool you use the most or which one you're scared to try. I'd love to hear what works for you. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I've got more fun Illustrator and art journey content coming soon.